This is Steve here from the AI Marketing School, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn AI into your own marketing assistant. So you can promote any product or service using any AI service of your choice. So for this we're going to be using Claude, but you can do this process and this system in any AI, whether that be ChatGPT, Gemini, or whichever you prefer. I actually have this presentation here in Manus, and this is going to come into it as well. And the purpose of this is to show you the old way of running marketing, whether this be Facebook ads, Google ads, or just organic social media content. We used to hire an agency for 2 to 5k a month, do everything manually, guess what's working, post manually, get no real feedback, you're really just guessing. And the new way is actually using AI to give you all the context on your business, to create content, videos, images, Facebook ads, all in your branding, your own voice, and also to improve upon itself over time so that you can actually get better and better results. So it's not about just creating fancy AI images or AI content, it's actually about a reinforcement loop so you can get improved output, not just saving time but actually getting better results. And for this you can then create things like Facebook ads, and I've created all of these ads inside of the system I'm about to show you. And as you can see here, this is early days, we've only spent just under £200, but we're getting cost per leads on images at £3.28 and videos at £6. And that is ultimately just to get people into the AI marketing school, or AI marketing systems, which we're building out now. And inside of here we teach everybody how to create marketing, sell products and services using AI. So if you're not sure about anything in this video, or you have any questions, come in, join the group, it's completely free. We've got loads more training inside, and I'll also answer all of your questions. For this we're going to be using Claude to actually create the content, and it also has these connectors in it. So if you don't want to actually be on social media yourself, you don't even need to go on social media, you don't need to be on Instagram or Facebook, you can actually do it also inside of Claude and Manus, which I'll show you in a minute. You can also integrate with other connectors such as Higgsfield, which we're going to be using in this video. And Higgsfield is essentially a content machine powered by AI. It plugs into all of the AI machines or AI services such as Gemini, which has Nano Banana Pro. It also has access to Seedance, which is one of the most advanced video models, and things like ChatGPT, Gemini. They all connect basically into Higgsfield, so you don't even need to leave your AI model. You can do this all inside of Claude, or if you want you can come into Higgsfield and create the content if you prefer. However, the process and the plan for this video is to show you how you can do it all in one place. Okay, so this is what we're going to do to actually create this content machine. We need a project, also known as a second brain. This is where you upload all of your information about your business, all of your ads, you add all of your context, which is step 2, so you give it your best performing ads, perhaps viral social media clips. You can upload all of the data, you can upload things like emails or written posts that perform well so it knows all about your business. You can give it your goals, so for example what your target cost per acquisition is, what your break even is, what your profit and loss is looking like. If you're happy to upload that into AI, you can give it the goals so it knows exactly what your marketing is trying to achieve, whether it be reach, engagement or conversions, the platforms you're running on. You really just need to give it as much information as possible. Skills, step 4, is where we upload all of the things that we do, such as creating social media posts, and if you have a particular format that works well for you, you can upload that as a skill into Claude and it will do that for you in advance. The last thing is to create feedback loops, and what that means is instead of starting from scratch every single time, you can actually come into Claude and you can say, based on my best performing ads, I want you to create a image and a written text based on whatever hook, whatever it is you're trying to sell. And the way you can improve this is by actually uploading your previous social media posts, your ads, your data, your sales reports, and then it's going to learn and improve upon itself. So the way we do that is we're going to be using Claude. Every single AI model has this. Gemini has gems, ChatGPT has custom GPTs, but ultimately you can create your own project, and whether this be for your business or different areas of your business, you want to create a new project. You can see I've got multiple. We're going to be using AI marketing systems for this one, and you want to give it instructions on exactly what you want it to do. So these are called custom instructions. it tells the AI everything about your business, such as we said before, the goal, your business model, what your funnel looks like, core business framework. So for me, I work on the theory of constraints, and your roles and communications, how you want AI to actually communicate with you. So it's very important you give it the context about who you are and what you do first. You then want to upload all of your files and your data, anything relevant to your business for it to learn from. Because without this, you're essentially just going to what is the equivalent of Google in a way. You ask a question, you get an answer back, but it's not specific to your business. If you upload all of the information into the project, it then knows all the history about your business and it's got essentially context to work from. So that's this step here. You're giving it the goals. Skills we'll come on to, but what I would say is if you're not sure about any of this, just come into the AI marketing school. I'm here to answer any of your questions. If this is not exactly clear to you, come and ask me and I'll give you a step-by-step guide on how to do these things. First of all, I just want to give you a quick whistle-stop tour on how we create an AI marketing engine. The next step is to create skills. So we can see we've got some skills here, such as HeyGen script. So this one is for videos. It actually has whatever you've done before. If you're creating videos and you do that in AI, you can save it as a skill. So next time you don't even need to give it all the information. It will have that skill saved. You can either ask it to use the skill, or now, because the models are so they work so well, it will know when to use a skill. So you don't even need to prompt it or ask it to use a skill. It will just be saved. And as a side note, if you do go through this and let's say you create your first piece of content, at the end of it you could just ask AI what skills can we create, and it will actually create some skills for you, and you can always improve those over time. Okay, so skills, which cover that. Feedback loops is essentially uploading the data once we have it. So what I would do for that is I'd come into Facebook ads, I'd go into the charts and the data, and I would download all of our ads data. So for example, you could download the leads, you could download the performance in terms of what the cost per click is, what the click-through rate is, all of the key metrics. You can upload that into your project and it will actually analyze it for you. Another thing, if you are running Facebook ads in particular, is it does actually have a connection with Facebook ads, which is not showing here, but it does have a Facebook ads connector. So you can actually manage all of your ads, get a full summary inside of AI. Okay, so what can you get? You can actually get ads that actually convert. This is not about creating AI slop. You don't even need to create AI content. You could upload face to camera, you talking, your own images. It's not necessarily about creating the content using AI, although that is a big part of it. If you want to have your own videos running, you can do that. But the point is, it's all hosted and optimized inside of AI. And these all really go hand in hand. So you could use the same for social media content. For AI videos, it doesn't have to be run as ads or social media. It could be for your own website. But ultimately, you can do everything inside of your AI. So how to build it? Create the project, which we just run through. Upload your context, your goals, and then when it comes to publishing, how are you actually going to publish? So there's two ways of doing that. Let's come out of this report for a moment. And what you can do is you can actually go into on Manus. It does actually have a connector with Instagram. So you can see here you can actually connect your Instagram account. You can create content and you can ask it to publish directly to Instagram. And that will in turn publish to Facebook ads. So here's a couple of thumbnails that I created for, let's go with one of these for example. Let's say this was a post that we wanted to add to social media. You could then ask it to push this to Instagram and create a relevant piece of text that goes with it with a call to action for your business. Now it won't do this automatically. You can't schedule tasks and allow it to post directly to social media. That is one thing that you can't do inside of AI currently. However, what you can do is you can get it to create it as a draft, and then you approve it. At that point, it will go and push onto Instagram. So you would never even need to go onto Instagram or Facebook. You can all do it all inside of AI, and that's using this connector here. I've done it myself, and I've actually got it to create one post an hour for about 24 hours, and I just approve them every single time, and then they will push directly to Instagram. So that one worked quite nicely. Right, see if I can come back to my presentation. Okay, so last step, this is essentially what you're going to save from doing this. So if you had a marketing agency running your ads for you, typically that costs around £2,000 to £5,000 a month, depending on your size. It could be cheaper, it could be more expensive. So there's the cost saving there. The most important thing I would say is the time save, because if you are running marketing for a business, you know it can take up all of your time. It sounds simple, but actually the reality of creating the content, getting onto the platforms, reviewing it, working on strategy is a massive time save. Results are the most important thing, because AI is nothing without the results. There's no point using all these fancy tools if it doesn't actually improve your results. If it saves you money and saves you time, that's one thing, but really the most important thing is to improve results. And I've personally seen from working in my business better results from doing everything inside of AI as opposed to using lots of different tools. And growth, essentially this is going to scale to much further than doing things manually, because you essentially got a data analyst inside of your marketing. It's got a marketing expert who can create all the skills that you need to create content and push it live onto the platforms. So hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, come into the AI marketing school and we'll be here to help. I answer all your questions every day, and we'll be covering lots more videos and training on how to use AI to grow your business.